JD Cap 26 here. I just do tips and repairs, and I've got one of these video iPhone holders that hold the iPhone, and there is a problem with it. It snaps off right here sometimes because the edge of the iPhone isn't totally square. So we're going to remedy that, and I'll show you how to do that. You could use and loop through some uh, rubber bands like this and to the other side, and but you need a little bit stronger rubber band. So we're going to use this bungee cord. So we're just going to cut the end off here, okay, like that, and save the hook. You may need it. You want to tie it onto the left side, and I'll show you next what that's going to do. You hook it on to the other side across the iPhone like this, from this side to this side. I suggest putting a dot of glue right here in case this slips. And your camera's right here, so it's not in the way when it's facing this way, the camera on this. So I hope this helps you. I hope you have a great day. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.